Jake and the Giant Terrible Honking Beanstalk by Dylan Fung. Once upon a time there lived a boy who had some beans. His name is Jake. He found the beans on the street. He put the beans in the oven. The beans stayed in the oven for 1 month. One day when Jake woke up, he saw a beanstalk coming out of the oven. Jake climbed the beanstalk. It took a long time to climb up. Up in the cloud, he saw a castle with a skull on it. And what let him in for a nice supper? Then came in the giant. He shouted, "Fee, fi, fo, fum, I smell the blood of an Englishman." Jake was hiding under the table. The giant started to count his gold coins. The giant fell asleep. Then Jake took a bag of gold coins and went down the beanstalk. Jake used the money to buy food. Jake climbed back up the beanstalk. When he saw the giant counting the golden eggs, Jake took the hen when the giant was sleeping. Jake climbed back down again. Jake climbed back up again to find things. When Jake saw the castle being painted, he went inside. The giant was in the kitchen. Jake started to hear his magic heart sing. So Jake saw the wife. Then he grabbed the heart. Then the giant ran after Jake. Jake climbed down the beanstalk and got his axe and waited for the giant to climb down. Jake cut the giant in half. Then Jake lived happily ever after.